Alam mo ba yung term na pressure head? Familiar tayo sa mga units ng pressure gaya ng kilopascal o kPa at pounds per square inch o PSI. For example, ang pressure daw ng tubig sa linya natin ay 69 PSI. Pero hindi natin ma-visualize kung gaano ba kalakas itong 69 PSI na to. Pwede nating ma-convert ang pressure ng isang fluid to its equivalent height of column of that particular fluid in meters or in feet. Gaano ba kataas ang kayang abutin ng fluid na ito given na meron itong pressure? Kaya kailangan nating i-convert yung pressure into pressure head. Simple lang ang formula. That's pressure head is equal to gauge pressure divided by the unit weight or the specific weight of that fluid. Kung water ang pinag-uusapan, ay madali nating makompute ang pressure head. Kasi alam nating ang specific weight ng water is 9.81 kilonewtons per cubic meter o 62.4 pounds per cubic feet. At pwede rin natin gamitin ang conversion factor na 1 PSI of water is equal to 0.7 meters of water. And pwede rin natin gamitin yung 1 PSI of water is equivalent to 2.31 feet of water. So kung ang pressure ng water is 69 PSI, that would be 69 PSI of water times 0.7 meters of water, that is equivalent to 1 PSI of water, and that equates to 48.3 meters of water. So ibig sabihin, kayang umabot ng tubig na 69 PSI sa isang building na mayroong 16 floors kung ang floor-to-floor height ay 3 meters. Take note na zero na magiging pressure dun sa highest floor at wala nang matitirang residual pressure. At para sa content regarding hydraulics ay follow ka sa channel ko. Bye-bye!